If you say Ghana first responding ye jumawana and I be no ambulance in wo. Obi a wenya accident or na no nenam nkrofo so de wo munsa. Say Ghana no say BBC accident scene or say whatever. They don't do any investigation to even see say a one fault impone ya twena so. Same way ya kasa me kai. I don't want to say something because it look like Ghana no way. I did kitty be bet me ku. I did kitty bet me ku because there's uncle right.
Yenuaba Naana Donkor ata NDA NSAbre ononso akwena rehosem efa eye Wendy Shay accident a wakonya eho a akodane ne osun eni areho se nti kaye kwa akoda sori ne de betia ne se yenuaba no yes sister no afri mu ana in fact Naana Donkor nani abre ye pa o kire se de ono kwa de ama nani abre ene se isim se ase yensua bibi emfri enseme totototo ye ho sanso so wonko baby accident ese no wonko no bi kura ne police fo nyamae nenso na wohwe accident scene ho na omo wo ho no we fa we wia we hwe na we kura de nse keka nipa na of which or say enhye da enye right sa na afin so systems na nkasa kura nso no enhye da emwatem emufo ti oso no otiwei se etoda na Ghana asembesi ni trimu a toda so oba Ghana na apem no sanse isim se ase ha no enipa nkwa ho enhye da enhia yesa na akoye na rehosempa also ukọ council ani a linking to politics o ka sempa ebeboa no ni a linking to politics imre bi also oba Ghana nsem ebesi ye no obi ana awo aka no na senkenyo no ne kupie ho a afi na akwakoye nsem bebre menkasa kese me pese obekọ na yakwa akutie nsema Naana Donkor atanso ede atudwa ede afa saa asemi a esi ho se eyene se BBC a moma yensua bibi frim dan se ye betena ho na ase ebeye ase emfame ho ebasa ne time bia no ne esisisi no ne no ana esan repeat Naana Donkor ata ede nsem we atudwa wa bra ote se yenuaba Wendy Shay enso akonya accident in fact akoye ensem bebre jupe money transfer na American for the amount se mo modern asa obema wonsa akabi ube download the application or phone so now so what send this card abroad of for Ghana I will send this card from money the Ghana teach America and Canada there a jupe money transfer and we use me promo code no DJKA we use you anonya $5 the account sika in fact yem kwa rate we dey send this card no eye was 3 year pa na eye nso chen obi ade jupe eno ne wo so use yanko na yanko tie NDA ensem ono nso aka
when we say yenua Wendy Shay when your car accident me share video me re kra ho if you say Ghana first responding ye jumawana and I be no ambulance ni wo papa ni video no okasa more than 5 minutes that time na police fo bi embaye ambulance bi embaye. And according to him, no, the other car, the crowd, nobody was paying attention. And a car been letting it to in the core hospital. Obi a wenya accident or nan on them and crofo so the woman's just said Ghana no say BBC accident scene was whatever. They don't do any investigation to even see say a one fault impone ya twena so. Same way ya kasa me kai. I don't want to say something because it look like Ghana no way. I did kitty be bet me ku. I did kitty be bet me ku because there's uncle right. That when ne nkrofo na same ya boy police ni ya womo ekoye sika eyikoto share so a womo kuno me hwe video na me su ema uyem hihye Cries obeko Ghana if you say hwese accident obi eku obi na a police fo bi eni ho na won a womo nye police fo no womo do womo seka a true phone. She said, sad we Ghana yare ho. My Ghana yare ho. Ghana yare ho. And then oh, that's one thing I was thinking. Say, can my best sakakra. I always think say, oh, baby anka ye dui. Kete sanka niyama sakakra. But like it looks the same thing. The same thing. Because say me call Ghana. I check akra. Ma me bi awo kano na oda kwa se ni suna apai. Not that can drive the beer between us. You on front of us and Natalie. Just say, I'm telling you, it was so sad. Drivers taxi no muja yebs. So car me timino and me jina me yam one more than driver and didn't call ye. Say me chia. Imagine say I walk on be na car bien fano. I wo so de wu and quantum. Inti no thing uka Ghana sama you sometimes upesa obeka so but people say your politics you want to talk because it's a young kasa and ye but then they will label you say your politics. This is the problem that we are having in Ghana. Every time I be who idea be a enye I'll become one some. I say we your politics. Nana me your politics. Nana me your politics. Near me of course no so ye. So how so money be ye? You see, when the ex-president was on, things the same thing. We used to buy the same thing. When we don't even talk, because as soon as you talk, they will label you as your politics. Then how can no money be ye? Because maybe we can talk it and put Nyansa. Maybe it will reach because it's very bad to see, say, oh my, how from madam. Na says, Abra, ye will be ni man so crown. Ya rea, one will take a good care of us. If Saudinity bad, ye. Na why ha sana. A bit me Buja Queen when I dream. And no be any walk up him say, so imagine say you're trophy come, those that they are pulling you up, they don't have any experience. A bit me so more pull wrong way. It's very bad. And I thank God said she was walking, and I'm hoping that the other driver and whoever is in, everybody is safe, so nothing happened. And it's like Ghana, they don't do investigation. I can't even